There were no restrictions on the nature of the advice that the group were asked to give, other than is to reach out in the community. Then, we had been part of the parish that every second Sunday of the month we do our choir, and every 8th of December like this, we have our Filipino Mass in celebration of the Immaculate Conception of Mama Mary. Now, we are marking our 10th year celebration. During this milestone year, we give our parish a big thanks for the tremendous trust and support you have placed in our organization and its mission. It's been a challenging years. We gained friends, and we also lost friends along the way. As we all know, that recently our country, Philippines, had been affected by the Typhoon Haiyan. Today, we pray especially for those killed or injured in the devastating storm. Reports that as many as nearly 6,000 people have died and keep rising. During these times like this, we wonder what good can come from this. We cannot know, but in truth, only God knows. We must ponder this truth as we mourn the losses of our neighbors as a result of this natural disaster. But we must do more than that. We must help out our neighbors materially as well as spiritually. But what can I say? The act of giving and sharing that everyone here has demonstrated cannot be appreciated enough by mere words stringed together to at least produce the degree of gratitude we have. We do not wish for more events like this in the future. But the gesture you've all shown assured us of love, hope, charity, and compassion, enough to inspire all the survivors of the devastating Typhoon Haiyan to embrace a new life and move on. To all of you, thank you so much. In my own words, maraming salamat. I leave you a message from Matthew chapter 25, verse 40. Truly I tell you, just as you did it to one of the least of this, who are members of my family, you did it to me. Thank you. We have a life professionals in Jackson Hotel to mark our 10th year celebration. We have loads of